And now for another special story, that of India's first paraclimbing champion, who is now gunning for gold.
Paraclimbing as a sport in India receives next to no attention. But Manikandan Kumar is trying to put an end to that. And he's also beginning to show people how a disability can be overcome. Mani was diagnosed with polio when he was just 5. Despite the setback, he carried on with his great love for sport and eventually zeroed in on climbing.
When I was 5-year-old, that's when I got diagnosed with the polio, but I don't think about it at all, because there's no point, if I keep thinking about it, there's no point, and I will do nothing. But then I was always interested in doing a lot of sports activity in school as well, and I was really good at cricket, kabaddi, volleyball, everything. And later on I came into climbing, and I started climbing well also. So disability is something which never bothered me, and it will not do it in further also.
Mani was first introduced to climbing when he was in the 10th standard. He attended a camp way back in 2002, and there's been no looking back. He's gone on to participate in 9 paraclimbing competitions, including 2 world championships, but there have been plenty of struggles. The son of a carpenter and a mother who rolled incense sticks, his family didn't understand his love for climbing and urged him to get a real job instead. But Mani was adamant.
Initially, when I started, climbing as a career, it was really difficult to, deal with my parents, and my parents were really, keen on me getting a job so that I can support them with the financial. And I totally understand, but then at the same time, I wanted to continue the sport as well.
Financing his love for climbing wasn't easy either. Mani was helped along the way by a few organizations and donations from friends and family. Today, he says all that is behind him. His sole focus is the World Championships in Paris next year and the Tokyo Olympics too, if paraclimbing is included there. Big dreams, but Mani proves no mountain is high enough if you have the will to succeed. With Mrinali Fernandez, Natasha Jog, Indie TV.